I am never making a fucking candle ever again. But, Nina, look at it. It's so freaking cute. Hey guys, it's your girl Tiff, and today's video is going to be another DIY project. I am going to attempt to make a hot chocolate candle. Yeah. We're gonna see how that turns out because I really have no idea what the hell I'm doing. So yeah, if you guys want to see me succeed or see me fail, keep watching my video. Alright, so I filled up the pot with water and we are going to put low heat on the water. I have some velitas that I got from the Dollar Tree and we are just going to peel this off until it melts. All these ideas I got from Chick on the Cheap, so if you want to see how she does it and follow along, go to her video. I'm following her instructions, but she knows what the hell she's doing. She recommends low heat because it comes out better that way. I guess the candle doesn't bubble. I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. But yeah. It is 10:38. We'll see how long this takes to melt. But yeah, I'm gonna just leave it there for now. I also got some brown wax melts. I'm gonna put them in here. And I filled up this tiny pot with water and we're gonna let that melt. So, quédate aquí, mira Mickey Mouse. ¿Quieres un snack? Okay. While I wait for all of that to heat up, this is the mug I picked up at Dollar Tree. All these items are from Dollar Tree. Most of them. Yeah, you like Dollar Tree too? So that's where I'm going to put the candle in. I picked these up at Dollar Tree too to make the cookies. I have a sheet and my pan right here. So stressful. I grabbed some cinnamon to top it off later. My hot glue gun is here ready. And I think I'm really prepared for this. Oh, and I have ¿cómo se llama? An icing bag. I think I'm pretty much ready to go. It's melting. This wax is already melting. It's taking its time, but this wax is too. Look at it. But for this one, we had a long ways to go. Mira, that's so much better. The candle is done now.
So, we should wait till it's done now.
Yeah, time to get it. It's officially melted. I don't know where to put it. Come on. Why did I choose this pot? I'm such an idiot. Oh my god, ya lo mojé. Well. Yeah, things that's ruined now. It's all melted. So I have these two gingerbreads. It's not that hot. I'm just gonna pour a little bit in there. So
Yeah.
we're gonna wait till that dries. And then we're gonna fill it up after. It's really not taking that long to dry. It's already pretty much dry.
Hi,
I'm so excited.
Papa.
Ya ves? It's already pretty much dry. So I'm just going to fill this up now. Ay, qué pendeja, that's hot. So ya se enfriaron mis gingerbread cookies. We are gonna take them out and see how that goes. But they seem pretty dry. Like I took out this wax that I spilled on the corner. So we'll see if it comes out that easy. So there's this one. We're just gonna pop that in, that out. Okay. Okay. Oh. Should I do it this way? Shit. Let's do this one. This is actually very hard. Ugh. What do I do? Oh, damn. No, I'm squishing it. Damn it. What the hell? How'd she do it? Oh, yay. There you go. Ooh. How cute. It's the best food ever. Okay. So clearly, I like this side better. Mira, look how cute they look. I'm very happy with how that came out. And for the other candles, they're still taking forever. What the fuck? So yeah, we're just gonna wait for that. So one candle already melted, and I took the thing out. So I'm just gonna hot glue it in the middle. Ay, carajo, puta madre. Ow. Mi dedo. Okay. One finally melted. And I'm gonna pour it in. Ay, pendeja. They finally all melted. So look at it. There's one. We're gonna fill up the rest of the cup. We're gonna get our bag ready. I don't know how this is going to hold. Maybe si lo pongo aquí, it'll like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we're just gonna do it. I might not be smart, but won't this melt? Alright, it's filled. Should I try this? It's hot. This candle is taking longer than I fucking thought. Because yeah, we started at like 11:30 and it's 1:25. And the girl needs to go grocery shopping. I'm really trying to tie this off, but it's because I want to set it down. There we go. Well, it's starting to like cool off, like at the bottom. So we're not gonna let it dry officially. We need it like kind of creamy. So when we cut it, it's gonna be like, you know, we put some whipped cream on it. This shit's fucking hot. So I kind of rushed it. This is taking forever. So I put it in the freezer for like a couple minutes. And this dried really fast. So I was like, I had to preheat it and then do this all over again. But now it's all creamy, right? I'm so excited. We are going to cut the tip off. Alright, nothing's coming out. So let's do it a little bit bigger. That looks fucking dumb. Okay, so maybe I waited a little bit too long. Why isn't it coming out like ours? It's not working. Why not? What the hell? Is it because this is too small or what the fuck is going on? Okay, that's better. I think now I'm gonna add my little gingerbread. What should I do it? Let's see. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. Ay. Don't go overboard with the cinnamon. Too late. Ay, pendeja. I am never making a fucking candle ever again. But Mira, look at it. It's so freaking cute. I actually like this side better. No, the candle's over here, but I like it because it has like little candle drips on the side. I am so proud of myself. I'm not patient, so doing this was a little irritating. I'm excited and I love it and I get to keep it forever. I am never gonna light this fucking candle up because I'm not doing this shit again. I was honestly trying to hold this off because I already knew it was gonna take a really long time. But I'm glad I got it out the way and now it's gonna be here and I love it so freaking much. So I think all my DIY stuff is done because I honestly don't want to do anymore. I know in my last video I said that my next video was going to be a makeup tutorial, but the next one, I promise, will be a Christmas makeup tutorial. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique. And I'll be back with my next video.